Climate change and its effects on the environment. Climate change is one of the most pressing global issues of our time, with far reaching consequences for the environment, economies, and societies. It is primarily driven by human activities such as burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrial processes, which increase the concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. One of the most significant effects of climate change is the rise in global temperatures. The warming has led to the melting of polar ice caps and glaciers, contributing to rising sea levels. Coastal communities are particularly vulnerable to this phenomenon, facing increased risks of flooding, erosion, and displacement. Additionally, higher temperatures exacerbate heat waves, which can have severe health impacts, especially on vulnerable populations like the elderly and children. Climate change also affects weather patterns, leading to more frequent and intense natural disasters. Hurricanes, droughts, and wildfires have become more common and destructive, causing widespread damage to ecosystems and human settlements. These extreme weather events not only result in immediate loss of life and property but also have long term economic and social implications. Biodiversity is another casualty of climate change. Many species are struggling to adapt to the rapidly changing conditions, leading to shifts in ecosystems and, in some cases, extinction. Coral reefs, for example, are highly sensitive to temperature changes and are experiencing widespread bleaching. This loss of biodiversity can disrupt food chains and ecosystem services, affecting human livelihoods and food security. In conclusion, climate change poses a serious threat to the environment and human well being. Mitigating its effects requires urgent and coordinated action at local, national, and global levels. This includes reducing greenhouse gas emissions, trans- transitioning to renewable energy sources, and implementing sustainable land use practices. By taking these steps, we can protect our planet and ensure a healthier, more resilient future for all.